That's my car right there. Yeah, 57 four-door.
Oh.
This one's more original than mine.
More original.
Mm-hmm.
Parts wise?
Yeah, to a point.
Oh, plane.
Yeah. It's not a plane show. It's a car show.
It is. It'll drop the car in.
It's got the smaller steering wheel. It doesn't have power steering. No, I didn't see power steering. No, it does. That's why. Mm-hmm. Oh, yep. The story of everybody's car.
Maybe you should do that.
I have that, dear.
Oh. We haven't done yet.
Again. Mm-hmm.
It's been red.
Oh, yep. Know about that.
Red and red.
I gotta replace that same part on mine.
ask for advice.
No,
It was
it's what
white
it is.
for a time.
It's a lot of work, huh?
Yeah.
You're the owner, one of the pictures?
Well, yes, I'm the owner, but I just donated it to my grandson, so he's the owner now.
Oh, okay. But you're the one that did all the work on the car.
Yeah.
Or uh-oh.
It's falling.
How long ago did you work on the vehicle?
Started in 2004.
2004.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
took about a year or so to have it done.
Yeah.
And I've taken it out to one thing, a wedding, and burned it. The rest of the time it's been sitting in the garage for 20 years. I give it to my grandson because he kept wanting me to get out to take it to the show, and I said, well,
Yeah.
you can do it.
Yeah. What was the most difficult thing you think you did on the work?
I didn't really do anything. I hired everything.
You hired everything out? Oh, okay.
You know,
Anything you would have done different, or?
there's probably some things you needed to do different. I've done different things, air conditioning and
Yeah.
stuff like that,
Yeah.
and brakes, and so you just do something that ain't working out.
Yeah.
Redo it.
No, I have a 57 four-door actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Four-door hardtop.
No, that's a sedan. Post.
Yeah.
Bel Air. Was originally an AC car. When I got it, it was a drag car. It was actually my first car.
Yeah.
And I still have it. It's in pieces again because I'm redoing it.
Well.
And but I drove it all through high school and for a few years after before I parked it. And
Yeah. Oh yeah. You always want to go back to something that you.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get it on the road again. I got an engine back in it again, so it's just a matter of doing all the parts. I noticed one of the things that I need to do is this repair right there, because that has all rotted out on mine.
Yeah.
So
They found that one of the last things they found, and they sent me the picture, so they fixed it.
Yeah.
You got your catalogs, your
Oh yeah. I've been through it all already. I mean, we put probably 26 grand in the car originally.
Yeah.
And I think one of the things that I would have done different was electrical first, because I ran into a lot of electrical issues.
Well, I put the electronic dashboard in instead of trying to get the gauges,
Mm-hmm.
and I think I'd probably like to have the gauges.
Have the gauges.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, like the Dakota gauges, something a little more updated and modern, or do you think back to kind of like the original?
Sort of the original.
More the original. Yeah. Well, nice. I'm glad you brought it out.
I had seat covers put on the seats that are not soft.
Yeah.
Should have had a professional
Redo it. Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely a learning process as you go through it. Sometimes it's hard to make a decision because you don't know how it's going to turn out.
Yeah. Well, if you're going to drive it every day, you know you can do something. But
Yeah.
I just have this one. As I say, this is the first time it's been out of the garage in 10 years.
Yeah. That's crazy. All right. Well, thanks for talking to me.
Yeah.
They're basically the same color. I don't know what you want from me. You tell me burnt orange. What's burnt?
Hot lava?
It's what?
Ah,
Yeah.
Burnt orange is close enough.
It's copper.
you,
No, I told you no. So did you buy the car like that, or did you got it like that?
I have two more the same color.
Yeah.
Similar.
Something with the color? Is it the color that sells the car?
The 68 Camaro is a Corvette bronze, which is actually like a burnt orange.
Right.
And the C10 pickup I have is actually painted copper penny. It actually a brand new shiny penny.
Yeah.
That's what the color is.
Wow. That's got to be pretty bright then.
And it's a little darker than the truck.
Should do a penny bed in it. Do a penny bed in it.
Yeah, it mattered after that truck years.
Yeah.
Copperhead.
Mm.
When they went to get the paint for it, like $1,100.
Woo. Well, paint's gone up a lot, especially lately, from what I understand. Yeah. Even then, though. I had mine redone in the 90s. Wow. That's crazy. A lot of body work too, or?
That truck is flawless.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, originally when they did it? Really? Wow.
Yeah, they cleaned it up really good.
Huh.
Took the gas tank lid out of it. The gas tank's behind the rear axle now.
Yeah.
You can't even tell the gas lid was where it was.
Yeah.
I mean, it's flawless.
Yeah.
It's kind of a toss-up: drive this or drive that. I did let my
Well,
girlfriend drive the truck.
So you probably lean towards one, don't you? No.
The Camaro is my favorite. I just
Don't risk it.
I don't risk it. The truck and the car can be replaced.
Right.
That Camaro can't.
Yeah.
She's an all original numbers matching 68 SS Camaro. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and house interior.
Wow. Yeah. I can see why. was good talking to you. Have a good night or day, I guess.
Good night.
Good night. Not yet.
Yeah.